Alright, so as I was saying, we're here in the App Store of Google Chrome. When you go there, it's going to have some popular sites for you, things that are popular, things recommended for you once Google kind of gets to know the stuff that you're into, popular in certain United States, different collections for your desktop, um, these kind of things. It just depends on what you're into. The more you use Google, the more you will have things that are helpful to you. So here's things that you can use in your Google Drive. Again, you'll have to just check things out. What I use for the for my interests and what you would use. Like I'd be interested in this AutoCAD, definitely. Actually, I think I'm going to add that right now. Details. You can see how it was reviewed. It got 1 star, so maybe I won't. So the nice thing is you can review it. It doesn't like this. Didn't like it, so I'm not going to bother doing that. But it was something I'd be interested in. And so that's kind of how it is. You kind of look through here and see what might be useful to you. One of the things that I had done, I'm interested in voice recognition. So I might say voice to text, and see if there's any. Here's type with your voice. See, this is something I'd be interested in for something I'd like to do, be able to talk notes, talk, speak, and try things. So you can look and see if these voice note to speech to text, typing with your voice, simple function, notepad. And so these you can read it and you can read about it and see what if it works. You can see the and so you can select things. So this one gets a 3 star, this one gets 3.5. If I click it, it's speech to text, easy typing, he writes what you say, current version, and reviews. Then I can read the reviews just so it's as accurate as I have used. So some people say it's good, some people say it's terrible. So it just depends. So it might be, it's free, so you could try it out, and if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. Now, one of the things that I like are the fact that you can do extensions. And tired of reading it, you can select what you want, and I've added some of that, and I have them up here. Speak it, and it'll read things that I want. And so I've added those kind of things, and those things might be very helpful to you, depending on what it is that you're interested in. Um, like I said, it's up to you. Now, if you want to change the themes, I'm going to delete that. If you want to change the theme, clear all filters. Let's go back here. I'm going to go back to click on apps and go to themes. I can choose different themes if I want to change the way things look. So if I wanted to use like an abstract blue, it's free. I can do that. And so what it's going to do, probably it's going to change my theme. And I don't use these, but it's something you could do. And if it's up to you if you want to do something like that. So these are things you just need to explore on your own and find out what works and what doesn't. Now, one of the important things that we do want to discuss is go back to my, oh, it did change it. See how everything is changed now? Which is kind of cool. I mean, that doesn't bother me much. One of the things that we definitely want to be looking at is the is our Google excuse me well, this has some nice features here. It's kind of acting like my this gives me Google search. If I go to Gmail, it gives me, if I go to my Gmail here, I can go up here and I'm going to go to my Google Plus. Google Plus is my social networking area. This is where I can see and share things with the world. I can post videos, I can make comments on things that are going around the world, and I can see what other people are doing. Now, there's a whole lot to this, and it's best to spend some time on your own getting acquainted with it, because I don't know every single thing about it. But basically, you can divide your kind of divide up who's in your circles or in your groups. If I go here, um, there's different things that you can set up. For instance, the people that I am associated with are people that you might know or connect to. You can find them and search for them, and you can see if they have a Google Plus account, and if they do, then you can see their posts and see the things that they want. And what's actually very cool is you can put those people in certain circles. So for instance, in my family circle, I have the people that I have in my family. In my friends circle, I have friends. Notice they'll illuminate. The people that I'm following will pop up, and I can go and say I'm following the artist Don Bluth. Jordan Peoples is a student, people that run Skins and Tins Drum Shop, and different people, different bands. People in my work circle, people that I know from work that are that work with me, musical groups that I'm interested in, friends that are musicians, bands that I like, drummers that and I can make my own. And so if I found someone like this, Kyle Thomas, he's a director. I can see that he's in my work circle, but I can also add him to my friends circle. And if I wanted to, I could make a new circle called Great Directors or something and create a new circle to add. So if I wanted to, I could add a new circle and say create, and I'd add it, and then he would be added to that. And so here, there's Kyle. And so those things are how you can then organize the people in your life, the people that you want to associate with, and their relevance to you. Now, if I go back to my Google Plus homepage, and let's say I want to share something. What I can do is, let's say I have a video or something that I want to share, an event, or maybe a photo or something. Let's say I want to share a photograph. So I can say cool pic, and I can upload a picture from the computer. So if I go and find a computer that I want to or a picture that I want to use from my desktop, there's my puppy dog picture. So if I wanted to put that in there, it doesn't want to. It's not. I can choose actually who I'm going to share it with. So from my circles, I can choose different people, and so there's the image popping up, and I can then, if I just want to share it with my family, I can do that. If I don't, I can go to my circles, and I can choose the one that I want to share it with. So instead of it going out to everyone in the world, I can say only share it with my family. Okay, and when I do that, I'm going to share that. So if I wanted to then go share that, I can make comments about it, and then I'm finished. But I'm going to cancel that. If I wanted to share a video, I can search for videos from my YouTube videos. So this is where you're going to choose videos that you have made, and then you're going to then use them. So here's one using a blogger. Add the video, and here's the video. And then this, I just made this for you. Okay, and then I can post that, and it'll go to whichever group that I am interested in sending it to. Maybe it's everyone. And so that's where you could create your own little area. It's like having your own blog as well. I'm going to say cancel. I don't want to actually post anything there right now. And so Google Plus allows me then to share that information with other people and the world and anyone who's a part of my group. Now, one of the coolest things is what's called a Hangout. And a Hangout allows me to create a video, a live video chat with someone. If I have my camera, and my camera is here, and I can then choose a request someone that I want to send a video to, and I can then share that with other people, and I can connect with someone in some other, far away, and we can have a video conversation through there. So here I am making this video. It's showing me my camera right now, and that's it. So I can use this. I'm going to hang up, and that's that. So I could have called. I pretty much could have called someone if there was somebody available, which I don't see anyone available at the moment. So that's really cool stuff about Google. So with that, I have access to YouTube. I have access to so many other things too. So many tools that Google offers. And so I'm going to leave Google right here. And if I went to search Google, I can look at all this kind of stuff. So there's a lot of things that Google offers. First of all, you can look at some of these things here. There's Google SketchUp, Google Maps, Google Earth, and all of those things are just really powerful tools in order to use this web browser and other tools that Google makes. So we've got Google Plus, we've got Google Drive, we've got the search engine, we've got Google Maps. Google Maps can get you anywhere you want in the world. You can see the world from this kind of point of view. You can see the world from down on the street. I can place a little character on the street. I can go to Street View. I can look at all kinds of things all over the town, all over the area, and it's something you got to work with as well. If you like designing like I do, you can use things like SketchUp. And SketchUp is a powerful 3D tool that you can use. Download it for free, and it allows you to draw three-dimensional objects. You can design furniture and models and all kinds of stuff. So there's a whole lot of stuff there that you can use as well. Okay, so that's kind of a crash course in using Google, Chrome, and Google Plus, Google Drive, and all that sort of thing. So I hope that's helpful to you. And from here, you're going to be using YouTube, and you're going to be using Blogger, and all that stuff runs from your Google account that you're going to create on the very first day of camp. So get that all set up, review the videos, try things out. You're just going to have to get in there and dig around and see what all happens. It's fascinating stuff, but it takes a little while to get used to, and you'll get used to it. You'll catch on real quick. All right, have fun.